All right, I'm gonna start letting them in. Good morning. Please mute your phones.
Okay.
Yes.
Please mute your phones while court is in session. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Buenos días. La corte entra en sesión con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Por favor, mantengan sus micrófonos siempre en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. En esta corte no se tienen que estar en silencio, debidamente sentados, derechos y quietos en un solo lugar, debidamente vestidos, nada de camiseta ni de escotes, nada de sombreros, gorras o cachuchas, a menos que sea por motivos religiosos. No se puede estar comiendo, hablando, bebiendo, masticando chicle o moviéndose de un lado para otro. Esta corte entra en sesión. Gracias.
All right.
Buenos días.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do as best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. If everybody can be properly attired, make sure when we call your name, your camera is on so we can see who you are, and make sure you have an ink pen or something to take down any information that you may need. All right, we ready, Miss Williams Law? I think you're muted, Miss Hernandez.
Sorry,
Yes, Your Honor.
sorry, Your Honor. Por favor, bienvenidos a la corte. Voy a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más rápida y eficiente posible. Los voy a llamar en el orden en que se anotaron. Por favor, asegúrese de que está debidamente vestido y de que está su cámara prendida.
All right, let's start with the city of Detroit versus Gerald Denzel Lanier, case number SP182135331. Mr. Lanier, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Gerard Denzel Lanier.
Gerard, I'm sorry. Mr. Lanier, today is the date and time set for a review. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. We know that we see that you completed those community service hours. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lanier, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
You as well.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yep, you too. Is there Carmita Gary here? Marquez Givens, Saviana Green, Napoleon Lewis, or Angel O'Neill? I don't think Angel O'Neill is here. Good morning to you, Miss O'Neill.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Angel O'Neill, case number SP1724843. Miss O'Neill, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Angel O'Neill.
All right, today is the date and time set for review. You were ordered to pay $240, and you made a nice
you put a dent in it, paid $100, but you still owe $140 more. When can you pay it? I was asking that either you pay it or get into a payment plan. You could have gotten to a payment plan with that type of payment. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I can, well, I work today 12 to 9, so I can either pay it today or tomorrow.
You put a date on it.
I can have it done tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna put this for, and you pay it on the kiosk?
And I can pay it at the kiosk. I usually come down to the courthouse and pay it though, but I can find the kiosk.
You can't come down tomorrow and pay it because we're gonna be closed tomorrow. Unless Ms. Mathis is gonna be here taking them. No. So I don't know.
I can find the kiosk.
All right, if you pay it at the kiosk, it goes through immediately. What I'll do is I'll set this for a review for Monday morning. If it's paid, you don't have to come back in. But if it's not paid, I need to see you, okay?
Yes, sir.
If it's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Carmita Lenice Gary, case number SP 182-73181. Good morning to you, Ms. Gary. State your name for the record, please.
Carmita Gary.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240 and you paid it, Ms. Gary. What I'm gonna do now is dismiss the case and wish you a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, I got one thing. I still got a no insurance ticket on there.
Yeah, you gotta pay that stuff. A no insurance proof, that was, I don't know why that, let me see the file. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Carmita Gary, is I printed it out. Let me see who this iPhone is. His review.
I know. I don't have her.
I need to see it because I need to see what that okay. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please?
Akim George.
George?
Yes.
Akim George. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, I have to see what's going on with that no insurance, Miss Gary. Let
Okay.
me get the file some kind of way. 313-544-3355. Good morning. What is your name, please?
Napoleon Lewis.
Napoleon Lewis. All right. All right, let's pass Gary's matter. And let's call the City of Detroit versus Napoleon Lewis, case number strike that U 57632420. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Lewis.
Napoleon Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. I see you got into a payment plan. That's good. What about the classes and the testing?
Yes, I passed. Yes, I passed the class and I took the test and I'm just waiting on the results to come back.
All right, so when are you gonna know that?
If not by today, it should be by Monday.
All right, you want to come back Monday? I need to get that stuff and have it in your file too. So I don't know how you're gonna get it. I can.
Listen, I got a question. So if I get it, how can I just bring it down to the court or how I have to do it?
Yeah, you can bring it down to the court.
Okay.
What day do you want to come back?
I'll come back Monday, Judge.
All right, come back Monday at 8:25. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your weekend.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, I'm gonna come in person.
Very well.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
All right, very, all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Michael Larkins, case number SP 147-22491. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Mathis, can you run that file?
I would ask Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Larkins.
Thomas Michael Larkins.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stay on mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Larkins, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
What's past the matter? Miss license is valid. All right, so Ms. Harris, this is Lopez Nunez. He does need an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Lopez Nunez. Strike that. It's the state of Michigan versus Stephen Lopez Nunez. Case number SX 462-8875, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, no borre eso, del estado de Michigan contra el señor Steven López Núñez. Número de caso SX 462-8875, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, comenzando por la señora abogada.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Muchas gracias.
Thank
Good
you.
morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Philip X. Walling, número de registro 35229.
I am one of your House counsel today, representing Mr. Steven Lopez Nunez.
Yo soy uno de los abogados asignados para el día de hoy y estoy representando al señor Steven.
Okay, good morning to you. I mistook you for Ms. Harris. I don't know how I did that, but
Wow.
today is
She's so much younger.
Yo no sé por qué dije que era la señora Harris, la abogada. No sé por qué me dice, bueno, ella es más joven.
All right, I won't say any more comments on that, but I think everybody else knows what I mean, what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para su consulta previa al juicio. Yo lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a conseguir un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Si usted no está de acuerdo con ese acuerdo de resolución, sepa y entienda que tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación en su pantalla para ir a la sala de consulta privada número 3, por favor.
Sí, está bien.
Ok, fine.
Let's pass the matter.
No license for me. No
Very well. All right. Good morning to you, both of you.
How you doing, Judge? You all right?
Yeah, this is the city of Detroit versus Diana Lisette Laura Loomis. Case number SP 178-6221, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Gregory Narsh, P47088 for Diana Lemus.
Lemus, good morning to you. Good morning to you, Ms. Lemus. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Diana Lisette Lara Lemus.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You said you came to a resolution. What would that be, Counselor?
We did, and Ms. Horn entered a plea recommendation yesterday and said she filed it with the clerk as well. The first charge on no license is amended to blockading, and I'm just reading from the document, and then dismissed the insurance charge. The car was insured, She just didn't have it with her at the time. So it says dismiss without prejudice.
So just the blocking traffic?
Correct.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. It's going to be $175. When can your client pay?
We could pay immediately today. Your Honor, where does she pay? I mean, I'm
You
not
pay
sure
it-
you mentioned the kiosk. I'm across the street from the city county building. I'm not sure where the kiosks are.
You can pay it at any, it's one out in front of the court. The kiosks are also, if you come to the court, you can also come inside. The
Okay.
kiosks are also at any Myers, CVS's and things like that. I'm gonna give your client until Monday to make sure.
Okay.
And you can pay this online. It just doesn't go through immediately online, but I don't think that will have any effect. You can pay it online via phone. I just give the two best ways to pay it.
Yep.
If it's not further, best of luck to you both and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Understood, and thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Perkins. Mr. Larkins, at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. We've confirmed that he has a valid driver's license, Mr. Berry. If further, sir, I'm waiving the warrant fee. You don't owe the court any more money. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is Garcia Fernandez here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Do you need an interpreter?
Of course I do.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm gonna get you an interpreter then. We have to wait.
Okay.
Your Honor, am I okay to disconnect?
You are.
Thank you.
Francesca. Where's Francesca?
Your Honor, is that Miss Francesca Griffin?
Francesca Griffin, are you here?
Yes, I am here for Miss Griffin. Can I be placed in a breakout room with her, please?
Very well.
Thank
Good
you.
morning to you, Ms.
Good morning.
Ms. Griffin, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room. You can have breakout room 5. I'll put you in breakout room 5. Your attorney will come see you at some point, okay? Just discuss things with you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see. Golson, Kimberly Golson.
Hello.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, I need you to turn the camera on, and if you are, oh, you already have it. All right, good morning to you. This is the city of
Good
Detroit.
morning.
It's Kimberly Golson, case number SP11473661, SP1308003, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Golson.
Kimberly Latrice Golson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Golson owes 288 amongst other civil infractions, but most importantly, the one 288 is potentially preventing her from getting a license. At least it'll get her clearances here at the 36th District Court on an old no insurance proof. She owes other civil infractions as well. Mr. Golson, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
As soon as I can find you. All right, Barry. Very well. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus James McPherson Green. Case number SP 183-81221. Appearance for the record, please.
Patrick Wilson, P 71035, appearing on behalf of Mr. Green, who's standing to my left.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
James McPherson Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, counselor?
Your Honor, I did speak with the city attorney at this time. He's gonna plead guilty to the trespassing, and the city attorney was willing to give him a 6-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Green?
Yes, I do.
It's going to be a $240 fine. It'll be 6-month delayed sentence, meaning if you don't get in any other trouble like this in the next 6 months and you pay the fine, then the case will be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
And you understand, your counsel went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes,
You understood those rights?
I do.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, he was very thorough.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 5th, 2025, at around 2:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 13811 Fleming near Victoria. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
I was.
And what is that over there?
It's a residential houses that were going up for the at the auctions, and it was
okay.
To a house.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
It was next door to a house that was up for the auction, and I was someone had thrown out these bags of leaves there, and I
Did you enter? Your Honor, if I could just wait to hear him. At the location, did you enter a residential building, and did you not have the owner's permission?
That is correct.
Okay, you're satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm going to find you guilty as to the amended charge of strike that. I'm going to find you guilty as charged to enter trespassing, enter a vacant dwelling. It's listed here as trespass, but it's really an EWOP ticket. So you probably got a benefit there because really they don't dismiss the EWOP tickets. So I'll find you guilty as charged, 6-month delayed sentence, $240 is the fine. Pay it by August the 6th, 2026. That's your return date at 8:25. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, you and your counsel have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you both, okay?
Your Honor, just a quick question. Do we return on the 6th at 8:30? August.
If he met the two conditions, if he paid it and he doesn't have any other allegations that like that or guilty pleas like that, then you don't have to show. We'll dismiss the case automatically. But if it's not paid or if he gets in trouble again, then we need to see him. We need to find out Owens' attorney.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Nice to see you again.
Good to see you too. Best of luck to you.
How's your, well, actually, I know
Go ahead.
he's playing, your son's still playing, right?
Yeah, my son is in signed a contract with Knoxville. So he's in
Okay.
Knoxville, Tennessee. He plays in the USL League One now.
Nice.
So they're about to start their season. The first regular season game is March the 7th.
Well, that's exciting.
All right. Tell everybody I said
Tell
hi.
him good luck. I hope he keeps going.
I'll tell him. All right. We'll see you later.
See ya.
Yep. All right. Let's go with anybody else? I don't know. Not yet. I'm trying to find your file. Do you find Miss Gary's file?
Oh, you said you want me to find who's attorney general?
Carmita Gary.
I have to go downstairs and see if it's before.
Because she's that
Some older tickets. I gotta get some time to research.
he needs an attorney. He needs
an appointment.
no, this one needs to know who his appointed attorney is.
Well, on the top of it said Vassar Johnson.
Does say Vassal
Let
Johnson?
me see that file one time, making sure that's the.
So she's here. His office is here. Officer Salami.
Yes, sir. Officer Salome.
Salome, good morning to you. How can we help you?
Sorry to interrupt with the proceedings, sir, but I do have another courtroom at 9:30. Is there any chance I could speak with a prosecutor regarding a plea or anything like that?
Yeah, Miss Horn, she's just stepped out, gone to another courtroom. What I'm gonna do is I'll assign you guys to the courtroom, to the number 1 break room where she meets. Yeah, good morning, all officers.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Judge, with Carmita Grant, go downstairs and talk to the files and come back, but I gotta research. I can call her back later.
Okay, Ms. Gray, 1 or 2 things can be done. You can wait and let Ms. Mathis research what's going on with that. I don't know if that's necessarily going to be dismissed but I do see it was more recent. Or you can, Ms. Mathis can call you back and later on the day.
Okay, she can call me back.
I just need her telephone number.
All right, she needs your phone number. If you don't want to say it out loud, you can put it in the chat.
It don't matter. 313-828-9462.
You hear from me around 3 o'clock.
Okay, all right. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Golson. Ms. Golson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of failure to display for the improper license charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Ms. Golson, do you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You don't know whether you ever got pulled over or not and didn't take care of any tickets in other cities?
If I did, it's been so long ago, I don't remember. I remember getting pulled over and warned, but he didn't give me a ticket.
Do you want to try to go get a valid license and bring a license back in?
I would like to, but he told me that I can get this taken care of.
What I can do for you is I can give you a chance to go ahead and use this $240 that I was going to charge you, and you go pay the $288.
Okay.
And that you're going to owe the court some more money, but that $288 will get you clearances here. And this other stuff we can we can, then, once you pay the 288, because you're gonna have to pay that anyway, and that's what's preventing you from getting the clearance. Is that Lawson? You have a cigarette in your mouth, Lawson?
Huh?
No, he knows what I'm talking
Oh.
about. That $288, you're gonna have to pay it at some point anyway, but that would get you clearances here, and then you would go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a license. If you can't get a license, they should be able to give you out everything that's affecting your license. All right?
Okay.
Want to take the time and do that?
Yes.
All right, come back March 3rd. 200, I can give you the case number. You can either pay this at the DivDat kiosk, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Once you pay it, it'll go through immediately. It'll send the clearance to the Secretary of State, and then you would be able to hopefully get a license. I don't know what your driving record looks like.
Not to cut you off, but may I change that date of the 3rd? My son was killed March 13th, and the trial starts on that day. So
yeah, how could I say no to that, ma'am? How could I say no to that? I'm sorry to hear about your son, losing your son. Sorry. All right. All right. What date was going to be good? Is that something you need before? Because I don't know how long the trial will last.
If possible, if I can get it earlier, but you say what date do I have to take the $288 to the kiosk?
As soon as possible. That way you can potentially get your license.
Okay.
And on the 23rd of February.
Okay, 23rd of February.
And we're gonna be praying for you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
About your son, and hopefully you can get your license situation straightened out. Hopefully that does it for you. If not, we're trying to work with you.
Okay, I greatly appreciate it.
All right. Okay, Miss Golson, if it's nothing further, you have a very good weekend, ma'am, and the best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Cassidy Owens. Case number SP 1834830. Appearance for the record, please.
Yep, right here, Cassidy Owens.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Ms. Owens. State your name for the record, please.
Cassidy Owens.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Owens, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Miss Davis, are you ready on anyone?
No, Your Honor, not yet.
Ready for me?
The prosecutor.
She is here. Good morning to you. And B. Owens is here as well.
Okay,
I'm gonna put out rooms 5, 6, 5 and 6, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning to the two of you.
Good morning.
All right. Mr. Walling, are you ready?
No, I can't raise Ms. Horn, so I'm waiting to talk to her on Mr. Lopez Nunez.
Let's get Ms. Horn in here, please.
I mean, I could do something else while we're waiting for her. She's working from home today because of the weather.
All right, that brings us down to, let's see. Gaunt Gibson, Sanita,
Yes,
Santia,
Santia.
did I get that right?
Santia Gibson.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. How
All
you
right.
doing?
Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Santia Galt Gibson, case number SP 1834190, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Ms. Galt Gibson.
Ms. Gibson, state your name for the record, please.
Santia Gibson.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gibson, I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. Mr. Walling is going to come speak with you. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Dion Lee. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Mr. Lee, last 4 digits of your phone number.
6395.
Okay, I don't know why I had you listed under something else. Okay, that's what I have. I just wrote it down on my paper wrong. I have it written right. All right, Don, D-O-N-N. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
Hello, my name is Donnell Leonard.
Donnell Goodman?
Leonard.
Leonard. Good morning to you, Mr. Leonard.
Good morning.
Now, were you assigned an attorney?
No.
All right.
What's up?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to you.
How you doing to Gibbs since he didn't know?
Huh? On the iPhone, I just let in the room. Good morning to you. iPhone 132. I asked you to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Hey, how you doing today, sir?
Good morning to you. What's your name?
Sergeant Eason.
Sergeant Eason. Good morning to you, Sergeant Eason.
Yeah, I don't know. I should have already been named. I don't know why it reset it. Probably because I got I don't know.
All right. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and I don't know. The city attorney's. We're waiting on her to come back.
Who's prosecutor for this case?
Tamika Warren.
Okay. Do you know I'm here on? I wasn't able to see the subpoena for whatever reason.
Let's see.
Judge.
Yes.
Officer Franklin said that there's a Kyle Cornelius.
Yes, he's here.
He said it's the same. He said it's the same as yesterday. He has no recollection.
Okay, very good. All right. I don't see you on here, Sergeant Eason, at all. Maybe it may be Sierra G. I don't know. It may be for Sierra G or Byron Owens. I know it's not Owens because I looked at that one already. Let's look at G. Francesco.
I think it was that. Yeah, I think it was. That sounds familiar.
All right. Well, she's here.
You said it's Francisco?
Francesca Griffin is here. Sierra G is here.
I'm here.
All right. So
about me.
You gotta wait. Everybody's gotta wait. I'm taking them in the order that they came in. Good morning, Corporal Bennett. Yeah,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Francesca Griffin.
Yes.
All right. Are we ready?
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
No, you're fine. Just give me a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, City of Detroit. Wait a minute. I get Kyle Lucas to sign this one.
Here, Your Honor. I heard my name being called.
Yeah, give me a second.
No problem. Good morning.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Kyle Cornelius Lucas. Case numbers SP 1829299, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1829300, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please.
Kyle Cornelius Lucas.
All right, day, date, and time set for a trial. Officer Franklin just called in. He indicated that he had no recollection. I'm going to dismiss your cases, sir. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to plead as charged on the basis of a 12-month delayed sentence.
Now, this is a 12-month. They just offered the other young man a 6-month. Same thing.
Let me take that up with the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't see any notes in here, like there were no notes in the. Let's pass the matter and see if he can work you out something a little better. All right, that's cut off for officers. All right, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Baron Owens, case number SP 1819505, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for Counsel of Record Vaseline Johnson II for Baron Owens, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Owens, can you please state your name for the record?
Baron Owens.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Owens. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer Ali Alaki? Hearing no response, and I don't believe that officer has signed in on my list.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, as you stated, this is the date and time set for a bench trial. The trial was set for 9 a.m. It is now 9:32 a.m. To my understanding, Officer Al-Balaki has not appeared. We are requesting for a dismissal due to a lack of a complaining witness.
Very well, I'll grant the motion to dismiss Mr. Owens if there's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, Mr. Owens.
Who's next?
Day 2.
All right, have a good one. Who's next? Are you ready on anybody else, Ms. Davis?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. No, I'm still, I think the officers did appear on my other 2 matters.
So your other 2 matters, Sergeant Easton is here. I don't know who's Sierra G. 1 officer is Williams, it looks like.
I have Officer Salome for Ms. Gee. He's here.
Okay, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaunt Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Walling, this is Compliance?
Yes, Your Honor, she is in compliance. Her registration expires,
I'll take as an officer of the court. I'll dismiss the case as an officer of the court. I'll accept your representation. Miss Gibson, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. Yes.
She needs some information about the car. She don't believe
About
she
what?
got those tickets.
How you doing?
About what car?
The vehicle that was pulled over.
All right, let me see that. She wants to open up a can of worms here. All right, let's see. Let's open up the can of worms. 2019 Chevrolet. It had a 2024 tag on there, and the ticket was written in 2025.
A 2019 Chevy. I don't have a 2019 Chevy. That's why I'm asking.
That's what it says. 2019 Chevy, white in color. The plate expired on 6/5/2025. Improper belong on a 06 Dodge Ram vehicle. Unregistered, no insurance on vehicle at this time. Do you have a 06 Dodge Ram?
No, that must be a stolen plate is what I'm saying. It has to be an old plate that I don't have anymore. I don't have a Dodge Ram or a 92. I have a 2023, but I don't have no.
The plate number was EKV 4216.
That's an old plate that I had, and I don't even know how somebody would have got it. That has to be an old expired plate from 2000 to I don't even know when.
Very well. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good rest of your day. Your cases are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is Mr. Walling. This is the City of Detroit versus Dion Ernest Lee, case number SP 109-1652, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 137-17061, SP 150-14871, SP 153-51411, SP 172-4881, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 173-87492 and 3, SP 184-50801. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Dion Lee. State your name there, Mr. Lee.
Dion Lee.
Mr. Lee, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, I'd waive any kind of formal reading and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, add to that one other count of driving while license suspended. Mr. Lee has, wait a minute, he's on his way to getting clearances here. He's $76 from getting clearances here on this old no insurance proof. He's paid it down $76 from $288. Mr. Lee, if you pay that $76, then I don't see anything here affecting you from getting a valid driver's license. You do owe some other civil infractions, but that $76 is what's preventing you from getting clearances. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
And Your Honor, can I say one thing also?
No, I've been hearing, Laser, stop.
Never mind. Thank you.
I've been hearing you want to say something. Mr. Walling can help you. I ran it down for Mr. Walling. He understands, I think, exactly what's going on, and have a conversation with him, all right, in private, all right?
Thank you.
All right, join, what is that, 7? Join the room. He's in there.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Myra Garcia.
Yes, Myra Garcia. Hi, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning to you. You don't need an interpreter, do you, ma'am?
No, I think I'm fine. Thank you.
All right, well, if you think you may need one. All right. We'll leave it at that.
No, come after me, come on.
Sit tight, Mr. Ortiz, and mute your device. I'm calling you when
I'm sorry,
you're in.
I don't know. You can't hear me.
Yeah, if you mute your device. If you're muted, you can say whatever you want to.
I'm sorry.
Oh, City of Detroit versus Saviana Green. I called you to see if you were here. You never responded. Is she still here? Good morning to you, ma'am. Unmute yourself, please, and start your camera. City of Detroit versus Saviana Green, case number SP 1510978 Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Saviana Green.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You're in a payment plan. So here's what I can say. If you can always zoom back in once you're done paying that payment plan to make sure that the cases get cleared out as they were supposed to, okay?
Okay.
But other than that, you're done. Miss Green, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Can you run her license, please?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mr. Otis, good
This is
morning to
Kevin
you.
Otis. Had court at February 3rd. I just wanted you to know that I just paid my tickets at $240, and I'm on my way to Secretary of State, Your Honor.
All right, let me see. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning. I'd like to appreciate everything you did for me.
All right, let's see.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on one second. Let me see what it looks like. All right, you're all set, Mr. Otis. You're welcome. Have a very good rest of your day and good luck on that license, okay? You're no longer
Thank
having
you,
to
Your
come.
Honor. Thank you.
All right,
You have a good day too.
you have a better one. We're just waiting on an attorney. Everybody, we're waiting on an attorney. You say what?
I'm talking to officers. Sorry.
One talking to me. Is he one talking to me?
I mean, I can
No,
tell
I'm
you
just
what he said, but it's not a problem.
I'm just messing with
I don't believe he asked me that already. You probably can take my own guess what he asked me.
Who?
Officer Wilson.
What did you ask?
What's for lunch?
Oh.
That's
That's right. You gotta eat, right?
You ready?
I know it wasn't as good
It
as
wasn't, y'all wearing Jolando's out.
last two times they came.
Y'all wearing them out.
Start bringing my peanut butter and
The
jelly
Otis, I
sandwich.
just printed that. It's done. You throw that out.
I'll throw that out. Okay.
Miss Lewis, Carmen Lewis.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Do you have
Good morning.
valid registration?
Yes, I do.
Show that to the court. Or
Here.
put it in the,
You want me to put it in the chat? Is that what you was
you
about to say?
can, if you could put it in the chat or email it to me. I'll put my email address in there.
Okay, I can email it to you.
All right, my email address is in the chat. As soon as you get that to me, we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
If it's valid. I must say that.
I'm sending it now.
All right. You can check to see if he has a valid license, please.
Okay, Your Honor, I sent it.
All right, I don't know how long it's gonna take to pop up, but we'll wait.
I think I'm.
Are we ready? Mr. Walling?
Yeah, I don't know if I can move Mr. Lee because he can't see a prompt because he's on a phone. Can you move him, Judge?
I can. All right, let's go. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Dion Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Excuse me, Judge. Now, Your Honor, I don't know. I believe we removed the bench warrant on all these matters, and you gave him a $0 bond. Thank you very much. At this time, Your Honor, Mr. Lee is asking to set these matters for a bench trial. What do you need to do next week, Mr. Lee?
Pay the $76 and take care of the other court matters and do everything else you said to.
Just pay the $76.
Pay the $76. Yes, sir. Pay the $76. Yes, sir.
And then where are you going to go right after you do that?
The Secretary of State and take
Very
care of the
good.
rest of the
Thank
matter.
you.
He's got it. He's got it. Now, do you need to say anything else or ask me anything else, Mr. Lee?
No, sir. You answered every question I had.
Very good. All right. All right. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Lee. I hope you can get that valid driver's license. Go ahead, Mr. Walling.
Give him a date, Judge.
Best of luck. Date is going to be March the 2nd at 9 a.m. March the 2nd at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Can I get access to the chat so I can send in the chat? The registration.
You have access. Oh, let me see.
It say chat disabled.
I got you. All right. Go. You don't have anything further, do you, Mr. Lee?
No, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Yes.
And let me say this: if you don't get a valid driver's license, then they should give you a printout and they should tell you everything that's affecting your license. Bring that back and see if one of the attorneys can help you with that printout. If by some chance you don't get a license.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
You remember me telling you that, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir. I remember
That's a
everything.
Secretary of State printout, not a court printout.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Mayra Garcia, case number SP 183-49391. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Walling.
Philip X. Walling representing Maya Garcia.
Ms. Garcia, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Myra Garcia.
Myra Garcia. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Walling, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Garcia. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Ms. Garcia. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Now let's pass the matter.
And Your Honor, if the people could have co-hosts, please.
Oh, and I need to talk to you, Ms. Horn, when you get a chance.
Yes, sir.
When you land.
This is the City of Detroit versus Carmen Sienna Lewis, case number SP 1814203, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Cameron Lewis.
Cameron Lewis. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial.
I sent you the registration in the chat.
At this time, I am going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. I did get the registration. I do have proof that you have a valid license. Ms. Lewis, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of the day, all right?
Okay, you too.
I need to step away. You need anything?
Pretty good. I'm gonna print out a few more files. I'm pretty good though. A few more. I'm actually, if you need to go, I'm good.
I'll be right back. I'm just going to the line.
All right.
Judge, give me a quick second before we go to the next one.
Right.
Thank you.
You want me to run Zachary's license or you found?
What does it look like?
He got an OWI.
No, I don't. You can call the, if he's on what you call. I'm gonna, back on the record with Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I am going to dismiss your case for compliance. I believe Mr. Walling put that note down there.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. And best.
Thank you. Thank you too.
You know.
I'm back, Judge.
Okay. So it's Perkins' phone. She's still.
Judge,
Yes, he is.
Miss Roberta Pruitt said, can you let her in on Zoom, please?
Good morning, Ms. Pruitt. Good morning. On the Samsung device, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Mr. Gaines, sorry about that.
Gaines, good morning to you, Mr. Gaines. What is your full name?
Willie Gaines.
Willie Gaines. You may be a day late and a dollar short, Mr. Gaines.
You said the 6th.
Well, that's what you say I said. Let's see. You would say that because it is the 6th. You're not gonna say you messed up. Let's see. Well, whatever it said, you didn't pay it anyway.
I had COVID, so I didn't want to go down there and start paying on it. Well, get on the payment plan.
Good.
But I was going down there today.
It says pay by March the 5th. So the 26th, you were here. It says pay by March the 5th. So
Or get on the payment plan, right?
you're not even late. You're super early.
He's doing good.
Huh?
They early.
It says allow payment plan. So March the 5th. All right, Mr. Gaines, best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you. So I can get on the payment plan, right?
Yeah, you got till March the 5th to get on that payment plan.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Did you see this Trump put the Obama and Michelle and ape as apes?
That's crazy.
That is.
It's just insane. That's where we at with it.
That's where we're at.
Just not, they don't want to hide no more, huh?
No, it's
They
never
just,
done.
they just gonna be out with it now, huh? How they feel? You know what that means, right?
What's that?
That means that the time is close.
Hey, what they say is if you didn't know, you better ask somebody.
It's time to turn. That's what's going on.
All right, I'm just waiting on a lawyer, so. There's all right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus John Timothy O'Dowd. Case number SP 177-49071. Mr. Barry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Dowd.
John Timothy O'Dowd.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. I'm an enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the case. He paid. If there's nothing further, Mr. O'Dowd, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right, are we ready on Owens, Mr. Barry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Cassidy Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Not even better, huh? You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I will.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or
Yes.
500 fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 5th, 2025 at around 9:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Chalfont and Finkel. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What are you doing over there, ma'am?
Looking at the artwork in Cooley?
Oh, that's Cooley High School. You were in that building?
Yes.
And there's some artwork, what is probably spray paint and all that inside there?
There's actually old classrooms with old murals.
And you didn't have any permission to be in there at that time, did you?
No.
All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court is satisfied, find your client guilty of the amended count of as charged to the EWOP. I'm gonna find they're not. It's really an EWOP. Like I say, they're getting the benefit of the doubt here. 'Cause I'm going to give you until 5/7/2026 to pay it. Don't get any other trouble like this. and pay it $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back on May the 7th. And if it's paid, and you haven't gotten any other trouble, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
So I come back at May 7th on Zoom,
825, yes.
8:25, and then that was a $240 fine?
All right, very well. If you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you.
Of course, you have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Liborio Puerto Garnica. Case number SP1 801-300, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1 801-301, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Over with
Your Honor, my name is Boy
Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Garnica.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Boy Garnica.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Garnica, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
I'm good.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Demarius Lastly, case number SP 182-3447, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Baughman. All right, I thought Mr. Baughman was ready. Mr. Baughman, I'm waiting on you.
I'm very sorry, Your Honor. I thought you were waiting on me.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Demarius Nathaniel Lastly, case number SP 182-3447, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Baughman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Lastly, give the court your full name.
Demarius Nathaniel Lastly.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Mr. Lastly wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor, please and thank you. I understand he has a right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that right here today.
Mr. Lastly, come back March the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes,
if
sir.
there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day and good weekend.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Alante Donnell Grisham, case number SP 178-32751. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, give us your full name.
Andre Gresham.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Grisham wants a trial date as well.
That's right, Your Honor. There's a genuine and material issue of fact. Can we come back for a bench trial on March the 2nd?
March the 2nd, Mr. Grisham, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Zachary Scott Griffin. Case numbers U724-01125, Z79-43551. Appearance record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P555052 for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Zachary Scott Griffin.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What's going to happen with these cases, Mr. Boffman?
There's a date and time for trial, Your Honor. There is no complaining witness, and I'm moving that you consider a dismissal without prejudice.
Anthony Harley, the officer Harley. For one ticket, Anthony Harley, and then for the other ticket, you dodged a bullet here, it seems like, Mr. Center.
Neither
the person
appeared. I did confirm that with Corporation Counsel.
Very well. Case is dismissed, sir. U724 dismiss. No officer. It says you owe $90 still on that OWI.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir. You have a good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
No one else, Mr. Boffman?
That's all for now. Thank you.
All right, you have a better one. Have a good weekend. Patrick Campbell, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Patrick Campbell.
And good morning to you, sir. How can we help you?
I'm not sure. I know I had a court date today, but I'm not sure if I'm in the right judge's court.
It's in here.
Huh?
Is this a landlord-tenant case?
No.
Let me see. Patrick Campbell, do you have a case number?
Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I do, but I'm at work, and I forgot all about it until now, so I don't even have my papers with me at the moment. It just dawned in my head, court, and I just hopped on fast, like, oh God.
Are you Patrick DeAndre Campbell?
Yes, sir.
What is your date of birth? 8/4/88?
August, yes.
You are supposed to be in courtroom Christina Kennedy. That would be courtroom 435. So you have to hang up dial 360-435-0000. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Good luck to you. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Barry, are we ready for Nikki?
Ready,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garnica. Mr. Garnica, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged to the transport of marijuana on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. He would also enter a plea to the open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger. And finally, he would enter the plea to the being in the park when closed, and that charge on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
And you want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Where's his file? Garnica. Did I give it? Did I put it? Did I?
Alberto,
Yes.
Yep.
835 is not in the stack.
No, I don't see
Double
it.
check over here.
What did I do with it? I thought I had it. Maybe I made a mistake and put
Hold on, let
it.
me check the stack.
All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have all this money today, sir?
No, Your Honor. No, I don't.
So why are you pleading guilty?
I thought I was trying to do a payment plan.
Do you want us to appoint an attorney to you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
You don't see his file?
I'm double checking. I didn't see it the first time.
Well, here it is with Garcia Fernandez's thing on front of it. All right. All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you, and that's gonna be March the 3rd, 2026 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
313-208-3455.
Three 208-3455.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that March 3rd date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
There's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Jacayla Grace Oglesby. Case number SP1236161, SP1838741. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oglesby.
Ms. Oglesby, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? She must have fell asleep.
Miss G.
Ms. Oglesby. All right, we're gonna pass it. She must have fell asleep.
Judge, if I may, because I have that interpreter case, Stephen Lopez Nunez.
Yeah, I'll get to you, Mr. Walling.
Okay.
All right, let's pass that. I'm gonna just get Mr. Berry going on the next person. City of Detroit versus Jessica Gross. Case numbers SP 103-72502. That's in warrant status for money. SP 183-64681 is on the docket. And SP 185-73871, a new ticket, 16 to 20 over. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gross.
Jessica Gross.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the
Good
date
morning.
and time set for a So cause, Mr. Berry and Raymond on the warrant.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gross, you owe 402 on an old no insurance misdemeanor. You pled guilty back in 2020, January 13th. What I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna resentence you on that to more of today's sentencing to $240, and I will dismiss upon payment. Mr. Berry, there's a 16 to 20 over that's not on the docket. Ms. Gross can either go to a formal hearing, an informal hearing to see if she can get an offer on that. I don't know if it doesn't appear she set a court date yet. She has another until the February 10th to do so, or you can get her an offer today on it and get her an offer on the no insurance misdemeanor. Ms. Gross, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Stephen Lopez Nunez. Mr. Nunez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Interpreter, Judge.
Volvemos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Steven López. Señor Steven López Núñez, se le dio la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Wallen. Señor Wallen, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to pre-try this matter.
Su señoría, yo tuve la oportunidad de discutir este caso.
The people are moving to dismiss both counts. I would join in that motion.
Y la fiscalía está dispuesta a desestimar ambos cargos y la defensoría está dispuesta a aceptar ese cargo.
And will stipulate probable cause for the dismissals.
Y estipulamos la causa probable, su señoría.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lopez Nunez. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor López Jr., sus casos han sido desestimados. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Ya se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias, que tenga un buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Better one. Thank you.
Igualmente para usted, que tenga uno aún mejor. Gracias, señora. Hasta luego.
Gracias, hasta luego. Feliz día.
Bye bye.
Have
Igualmente.
another
Bye
one.
bye.
I have another for you, Mr. Hernandez.
No, Your Honor, that's the only one I had.
I know. I have another one for you though.
Oh, perfect. Here I am.
All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jareli Paulette Garcia Fernandez.
Hello.
Case number SP 1837973, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Yareli García Fernández, número de caso SP 183-7973, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Yareli García Fernández. Aquí estoy.
My name is Yareli García Fernández.
And my name is Philip Walling, appointed to represent Ms. Garcia Fernandez.
Y mi nombre es Philip Wallings y yo soy el abogado para representar a la señora García Fernández.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Garcia Fernandez. I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you.
Está bien, señora Fernández. Yo le voy a dar la oportunidad de ir a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a ofrecer un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y tenga entendido que si no le gusta eso, puede ir a un juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada. Okay, she's there. I don't see her.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. See you there, Mr. Walling.
I'll be there. Whatever there happens to be.
Let's pass the matter. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. Ms. Gross, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gross?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Gross, I'm going to give you a trial date / formal hearing for March the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, yourself.
This is the City of Detroit versus Danielle Escobar Ortiz. Case numbers SP 182-6474, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name,
Hello?
Mr. Ortiz.
State
Yes,
your name
sir.
for the record, Mr. Ortiz. Good morning
Hello?
to you. State your name.
I'm right here.
State your name, sir.
Daniel Ortiz.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. What you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Are you ready on anyone, Ms. Davis?
Yes, Your Honor. We're ready on Ms. Griffin and also Ms. Gee.
The City of Detroit versus Francesca Sophia Griffin. Case number SP 182-20031, SP 182-2005, counts 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. 17, 3, 4. No, strike that. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for counsel record. Vasselin Johnson II for Ms. Griffin, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Griffin, can you please turn your camera on and unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
All right, good morning to you, Ms. G. Sergeant Easton did appear. Did you work out something?
Yes, I did have the opportunity to speak with Madam Prosecutor. She has informed me that the people are moving to dismiss. After a discussion with Officer Easton, he has no recollection.
All right, Ms. Griffin, you still owe 160 on an improper equipment and 175 on an old blocking traffic. I'm going to dismiss these cases. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You just made my birthday. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Happy birthday. Today is your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
I missed that one. I missed that one. I usually see that. Let's see.
All right, Aquarius.
I graduated from high school in 1990. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. What you said, 160 and 175?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you and enjoy your birthday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Judge, with CR Fernandez, there was no record from.
City of Detroit versus Nicole, strike that, Sierra Nicole G, case numbers SP 143-83541, SP 1819515, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 17-3430971. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, good morning again, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing on for counsel record Vasselin Johnson II. For Ms. Gee, who is appearing via Zoom, Ms. Gee, can you please state your name for the record?
Sierra G.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Did you come to a resolution, Counselor?
We did, Your Honor. The people have proposed a plea recommendation in which my client would like to accept. The offer would be to, for ticket ending in 5151. The failure to stop will be amended to blockading traffic. And for ticket ending in 3541, the no insurance, charge will be amended to improper plates. And I will note, for the record, Your Honor, the ticket ending in 3541, that was not my client's vehicle. She was driving her sister's vehicle. And it
All
would
right. What about the 5151? What about that, with that failure to stop? Were you driving your vehicle in that time, ma'am?
my
Miss G?
Yes.
She was driving her vehicle at that time, Your Honor.
Is it too low? Let me turn it down.
2021 Jeep, was that your vehicle, ma'am?
The 2021 Jeep, yes.
All right. We'll amend that to improper plate. Now, on the 17 case, that shouldn't have been set for trial. That should have been set for more like a review. Because the 17 case has already been adjudicated. So there's like no benefit on that. What I can do is you had 315 originally minus 85 you owe now. That's 230. I'll bring that down to $10. You owe 10. Well, I'll just erase that out. I'll just erase that out. All right. You want to take the deal?
Yes, I do.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Does anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 28th, 2025 at around 2:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Tyreman and Abington. Were you operating a motor vehicle on that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you have contact with the police?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce valid insurance. Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope, it had just expired. I was with Bristol West.
All right. And then did you run a stop sign on that date?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. $240 will be the fine for that. I'll dismiss upon payment. Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking. Don't fine her on that. So she already owes plenty of money here. $240, stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. When can you? Well, I'm gonna do this. Just come back because you don't seem to be paying. Come back. I'll waive the warrant fee. Come back March the 6th, 2026. I'm marking the file.
If I have it paid before then, can I? Because I'll have it paid before then. My
Yeah.
my my lawyer knows why I didn't even. I was actually supposed to be here with insurance today, but I'm going through something with my landlord right now. He's selling my house, and they want a 1649 deposit for my insurance. But now I got to put that towards moving. So that was the reason why I didn't come with it today. But those tickets will be paid next week. That's a promise.
All right, if it's in the system paid by March 6th, I mark the file allow payment plan as well. If it's paid, then we'll dismiss the oneness matter and close the stuff out. But if it's not paid, I need to see you March the 6th. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, and you said that was 240, and what was the other one?
It's 240, and then you just owe stuff that you haven't paid for a while ago.
I don't even know what that is. Is this something from when I was a few years ago?
Yeah, from a long time ago.
Can you remind me of that, sir? I was in a whole different headspace back then. I don't even remember. I'm just being honest.
If you want, I can give you a call and we can go over it. I can look at the registry actions and go over it with you.
Yes, I'm a totally different
Okay.
woman now.
Okay. All right, we'll do that.
Okay.
If it's not, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you,
Your
too, sir.
Honor.
All right. Who else do you have, Miss? Is that it?
That is all, Your Honor. I hope you have a great weekend.
Great weekend as well.
Thank
All
you.
right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Daniel Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the driving while unlicensed charge on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The other matter to be dismissed.
It's going to be driving while unlicensed and not amended to anything?
That is the offer, Your Honor.
I think that may have points. You want to take the deal, sir?
Once I'm waiting on my lawyer's status with the immigration case, but I can't get a license if he can let me get heads up to get a license back.
You say what?
Immigration's status case. My lawyers did something wrong last time, so I'm waiting for the immigration status to get my license back.
Do you want to get the advice of a immigration attorney before you take this deal?
But they told me to pay you the fine right now. If it's that true, I just go on a payment plan and I pay the fine.
Two points on his driver's license if he takes this deal as charged, Mr. Berry.
Is that acceptable to you, Mr. Ortiz? 2 points against your license?
Is that really bad?
What is going on with these offers? Why is this offer not at least a failure to display?
It is a little baffling.
That will abstract, it won't carry any points. Is it because they're willing to dismiss the case in 3 months? Is that what it is?
Allow me to speak with the prosecutor again, Your Honor.
And then you may want to speak to him again and see if he wants to speak with the immigration attorney. He says he's going through some immigration issue, I guess. That's what I'm hearing. Do you want to speak to an immigration attorney? I'll give him an opportunity to do that as well. Mr. Ortiz, rejoin the breakout room, please.
All right, thank you.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Garcia Fernandez. Miss Garcia Fernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a blocking traffic case?
No, it's the charge, Your Honor, is.
Hold on, you have to wait till Miss. You have to wait till Miss.
Está bien, volvamos nuevamente al caso para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Yareli García Fernández. Señor Phillips, señor Wallen, esto es un caso de impedir el tráfico. Bueno, su señoría, ok.
No, nobody sent me the link to go back to the weight room.
Hold on. Go ahead, Mr. Walling.
No, Your Honor, it is a no license misdemeanor and a disregarding a sign civil infraction that we did a amended pretrial than you have to blockading traffic.
No, su señoría, hay un delito menor de manejar sin licencia y una infracción civil de haber desobedecido una señalización de tráfico. Y la proposición es que sea enmendada a impedir el tráfico.
The misdemeanor to be dismissed.
Y se desestime el delito menor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Señora, ¿desea tomar esta oferta? Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
I do.
Y hace las estipulaciones, señor abogado, sobre las bases de fundamento para este ticket. Sí, señoría.
Sí.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Y estipula la causa probable, señor abogado, para la desestimación del otro cargo.
Sí.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Está bien, con esas dos estipulaciones consigo entonces encuentro al cliente responsable del cargo enmendado de impedir el tráfico, acarrea una multa de $175, señora. ¿Cuándo puede pagarlos?
Tuesday.
El martes. Tuesday, I'm sorry.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora. Lo puede pagar en cualquiera de los kioscos alrededor de la ciudad que se llaman DivDat, o puede bajar la aplicación de dichos kioscos en su teléfono y pagarlo por teléfono. O puede venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo en persona. Esas son las dos formas, las mejores formas que yo le puedo dar para que los pague.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You as well.
Que tenga buenos días. Thank you.
And Your Honor, on Ortiz, that was a mistype. By the way, I did the offers yesterday. The offer is allowing, Your Honor, and dismissal of the no insurance.
Very well.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go call the city of Detroit. Miss Hernandez, I think that's it. Have a good weekend, Miss.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye, Emma.
See you Monday. Ciao. Bye-bye, Mr. Walling. Bye-bye,
See you
Mr.
next
Howard.
week.
Mrs. Martin. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Terrence Granberry, case number SP 1806527, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
I guess I'm up. Philip Walling representing Mr. Granberry.
Hi, Mr. Granberry, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Terrence Granberry.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Walling.
If there are any warrants, I'd ask they be recalled. My client continues his not guilty plea, and we're asking for, well, at this time, and a $no bond.
Very well. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And Mr. Granberry, I wouldn't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on a defaulted failure to disregard a traffic control device if the city has no objection. Mr. Granberry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an update. And if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
And Your Honor, briefly on Mr. Kai Gilmer Henderson, the people are moving for dismissal. Officer, no recollection.
Very well.
So do I leave?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right. For sure.
The city of Detroit versus Kai Gilmer Henderson, case numbers SP 1824995, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Henderson, state your name for the record, please.
Gilmer Henderson.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. At this time, Officer Garcia did appear, but I'm going to dismiss the case for no recollection. If there's nothing further, Mr. Henderson, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank
you. Welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss, you can leave now, Ms. Henderson. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz is an allowing. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. There's no abstraction, no points. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir. And is you a payment plan for that?
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
Do you understand that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Sorry, say again?
Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
Nope.
By taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 11th, 2025 at around 4:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Hubble. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah, they stopped me.
You got stopped by the police that day?
Yep.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope.
Why is that?
Suspended.
Okay, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. $240 is the fine, which stipulates the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, here's the, you said payment plan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you until March the 6th to get this paid or get into a payment plan. That's your next court date, March the 6th. It's $240 is the fine. You either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down on or before March 6th and get into a payment plan. If you don't
So
have
I can do
any,
sorry, I interrupt you. I can do any of those days to go to court and pay request a payment plan or pay the full amount on and until March 3,
March 6th, you either
March 6th.
either pay the full amount or you get into a payment plan before March 6th. Come back March 6th and we'll see what you've done.
Okay, so what time on March 6th?
8:25.
8:25. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus our Eileen Elmore, case number SP 181-55191. Plus state appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, please.
Eileen Galmore.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Galmore. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to
Wait,
get you.
excuse me, sir. Excuse
Come on,
me,
don't
sir.
say anything.
Can I be?
Excuse me, no.
Okay.
You better be quiet. Get it, go in the
Okay.
breakout Berry and have a conversation with him. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. She's in there, Mr. Berry. Pass the matter. Mr. Berry, you have to join the breakout room. He's in there. Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, where are you? Good morning. Good morning to you. Really,
Good morning to you too.
Here until 1:30. Your matter is a disorderly conduct, so I can either get you an attorney appointed to you and bring you back on another date if you want to fight the ticket, or if you want to just take a deal, then you can sit tight. I can get you a deal. All right.
Yes.
Which one do you want to do?
I take the deal.
All right. You have $240 today.
No, I'm really laid off right now. I go back to work like next month.
So you'll take the attorney, right?
Yes.
All right. City of Detroit versus Terry Goodwin, Terry Grant Goodwin, case number. You have that one. It's for this afternoon. Terry Goodwin.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Case number SP 184-59351. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please.
Terry Grant Goodwin.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I'm going to mark the file needs appointed attorney. Yes. And I need a good phone number from you so I can have that attorney call you.
Hold on.
What about Ryan O'Neill?
Hello?
Yes, I'm waiting.
313 471 9369.
You sure about that? Took you a
Yes.
long time. All right,
It's the right.
Mr. Goodwin, I'm gonna have you back on March the 3rd, 2020. I'm gonna have you back on March the 3rd, 2026 at 8:30. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by March the 3rd, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Ryan Javon O'Neill, case number SP 179-18761. Mr. O'Neill, will you state your name for the record, please? You're free to leave, Mr.
Ryan O'Neill.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. O'Neill.
Hey, how you doing?
Today is the date set for There's the date and time set for a show cause. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. Mr. O'Neill, you're here because you paid $40. You didn't get into a payment plan and it's not paid off. When can you get this stuff paid off?
I was trying to get it paid last week, but I probably had to do it probably in like 2 weeks. I'm trying to come up with the money.
Give me a date. I need a date. I asked you for a date last time.
Yeah, hold on one second. Let me see.
Thank you.
18.
18. All right, come back on the 20th. All right, pay it at any day. Kiosk in the city of Detroit. Come at 8:25 on the 20th. Pay it. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. All right.
Okay.
All right. Well, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you,
Your Honor.
Yes.
We need Mr. Patel for Miss Galmore.
Okay. Okay. Very good. All right. All right, let's pass down more. I'm gonna get them in there as soon as I can. I'm gonna mute you. All right, let's go down to, is Oglesby, did you wake up, ma'am? Unmute yourself, Oglesby. All right, let's go ahead down with Darren Graham, is he here?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Darren Darrell Graham. Case number SP 183-6235, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
Darren Darrell Graham.
Your Honor, for purposes of
arraignment.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Graham, you don't pay either. You owe $278, $378, $378, $240, $240, $78, $372. He owes a lot of money. Mr. Graham, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Shakayla Goldie Lusk, case number SP 175-2937. counts 2 and counts 3, SP 175-3488, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Vicky Willis.
Thank you, Ms. Lewis. Judge, this matter is here for a pretrial, and I can be trial ready by March 2nd, if it would please the court.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Luss. Trial, next time be on time, Ms. Luss.
Yes, sir.
Trial is at 9 a.m. If it's at March 2nd at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye now.
You got tired of seeing that?
Did he go in? Okay. Yes, well, probably kind of solid. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Looking so bad.
It's so eyesore. I would be used to those paintings.
Yeah. I'm not gonna ask for him back. He knew what he was doing when he took him.
He's supposed to be fingerprints.
Not gonna call that number, Judge? That's the young man's number now. He told Judge Morrow that he would give him back, but
That was just the overlay.
that was.
That was the overlay for that.
There we go. That's exactly what it was. That's exactly what it was.
Did I say it right?
Yes, overlay for the underplay.
Yeah, you know, you know what I.
Exactly.
Those pictures up there a long time.
And he had a place to store them. It's like going to the Art Institute. They were never going to get damaged. You know, that's what the Art Institute is all about.
Easier, this should be yours.
No, that's cool. I took him on the agreement that we'll keep him into whenever you're ready for him, and he's ready for him, so it's cool. But that's just like the Art Institute. But the guy says he has paintings all over the place, so he could have just used this as storage. Free storage. Yeah, the Art Institute, I'm sure they're charging them for the.
It's probably how he said it, Mr. Inspector Gadget.
Right.
Man, they got your pictures in there.
Pay for that. Hey, you should forgive him. He didn't sound like that either, though. He was excited, you know.
He's so cool. Like he's so like, oh, I know them. Where these come from? How they get in here? That's how he was to me that day originally. He probably was shocked though. Well, they must be really good friends.
Yeah, I'm not calling.
Oh, Dad.
Nope. The next thing you know, he gonna want some money. No, I'm not gonna worry about it. He got them.
I wonder how much they cost though.
I mean, I don't know.
They worth it.
Well, if he would have come in and said, I want them back, instead of saying I just need them for an art show and I'm gonna give them back, then that would have been a different story. You know, that's the overlay for the underplay. You're right. So if you'd have just said, no, I want them back, and maybe I could call me and we could talk about it. And if you had to give a price, that would have been a different story. Right. But here
But it could be too that the person who rents them to you didn't make it clear to that person.
It could be.
And then he didn't know where his,
It could be.
Like, well, man, I thought it was me and you. And then
exactly, but he talked to him. That's why Judge Morrow came in to pick him up.
Yes.
So they had a conversation about it.
Yeah. But it still sounded like Mr. Goodwood because,
It's what?
to me, it was Mr. Goodwood.
Well, whoever it was,
He definitely instigated it.
whoever it was, Mr. Merle, Judge Merle has the relationship with the guy. They were in his courtroom. And Judge Merle told me that the guy said, "Yeah, I can keep him as long as they stay in the courtroom," because he knew Judge Merle was retiring. So whether Judge Merle gave me had either told me that I misunderstood him or however that went, I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, I say call and get him because because I'm a very artistic person too, like that.
I'm not calling.
You don't want to hear what I have to say.
No.
But the point that I was about to say is that I always, because I'm a visual person and I'm a very creative person too, I always like the image that projects when you on YouTube, when you give your speech about Martin Luther King, and he will always kind of be behind you.
Yeah.
So that was always like, when the public look at it, it gave a good, you understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And it just fit everything.
That's
Judge
cool.
said left a bad taste in his mouth.
Yeah, it fits that. You know what I'm
Like
saying? Because, that's just how I thought.
I don't know what the
It was just cool
backstory
to me.
is. It's just that, hey, hey, you want him back? You want him back. And when I was told that we were gonna get him back after the art show. So you see what I'm saying?
And then it's actually, well.
Good morning.
Brownie.
Good morning.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi, how about you?
All right.
You got my name right?
No, we're not.
Hello.
Why are you coming here to take us in or something?
Just observing.
All right. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Charmaine Arnold.
Miss Arnold, Officer Arnold, good morning to you. I'm Judge Perkins.
Nice.
All right.
J.S. Patel is here, Judge.
Is he?
Yes, he just knows. You training? Training.
All right. Mr. Patel, good morning to you. Ms. Galmore, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Again, Mr. Patel, thank you for coming in on such short notice. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Galmore. She wants to speak with you. Ms. Galmore, can you unmute yourself, please? Press *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Galmore.
Okay.
All right. Go on.
Yes,
I'm going to
sir.
put you in the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Patel, okay?
Oh, who was I talking to earlier? You?
No, that was Mr. Berry.
Oh, okay.
Both of them are attorneys.
Okay. Well, why? Okay. Thank you.
You fell asleep on us, ma'am?
Hello?
You fell asleep on us?
No, I did not. I'm sorry about that.
Well, why didn't you answer when we tried to called your case?
Oh, cause I'm sorry about that. I'm also at work.
Okay. You should have said something. I would have tried to get you out of here earlier.
My apologies. I never really did a Zoom call for court, so this is my first time.
Well, you're doing pretty good.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Usually it's people fall asleep and when they don't answer like that.
No, I've been in the whole time. I was trying to make sure I'd be listening, and then I had helped out, and then that's when I did not hear you guys.
We'll get you out here momentarily. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Darren Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Thank you.
Further, prosecutor, Your Honor, these matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Graham, have a very good rest of your day. I'm gonna do you one better. Counts 1 and counts 2 for those old cases, I'm gonna bring them back down to $240. I'll resentence you. And then I'll dismiss the one upon payment. All right? If there's nothing further, sir, what about these other ones? I'm gonna have you back in a month. Come back in a month. March the 6th, I'm marking the file, allow payment plan. Come back on March the 6th. If you paid it, then we'll close the stuff out accordingly. If you haven't, get into the payment plan, okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
I'm sorry, sir. Can I get a time, please?
8:25.
Okay, and if I pay before then I can avoid that, right?
If you pay before then, you don't have to come back.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
But
it.
I don't
Thank you.
know if you're gonna pay before then. You haven't paid in years unless you come into a big sum of money. Well, I guess it is tax time, isn't it?
No, I let them stack up on me. I did let them stack up on me a lot. I just let them stack up.
Well, spend some of those stacks and get them paid off, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jacayla Grace Oglesby. Case number SP123-61601, SP183-87411. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oglesby.
Jacayla Grace Oglesby.
All right, Ms. Oglesby, this is an easy one. You either 240 will dismiss or set a trial date. You can't do any worse. You can only do better, or it'll stay the same. I'm gonna put you in a break with Mr. Berry. He's going to explain things to you. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, I will.
In the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
It's an off-docket matter, Your Honor.
It's the same, allowing as well.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Now, first of all, Your Honor, formally, I'd ask the call to recall the default on the disregarding the traffic device.
It's already done.
Thank you. As far as the other matters, Your Honor, I think at this point we're going to tender a plea of not guilty and set all these matters for a pretrial. It appears that Mr. Granberry had a history with you before.
I've seen him.
He was supposed to pay $240 and get his license turned back on. Well, he went to pay it. He paid the $240, but did not do the second step. And then he got these tickets. So we're going to, if that is in fact true, that should solve his problems. But I told him that he needs to get to the Secretary of State, and he acknowledged that.
Well, it won't solve all his problems. I don't think it's going to solve this open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger problem that he has. Do you want me to appoint an attorney for you on that, sir?
Well, it's certainly, Your Honor, if I may, that will him getting a license. That's a problem down the road, and maybe at that point he'll get a chance at a better negotiation position. But I understand that that is a policy case, and there's limited, wiggle room on that. But
I can appoint him an attorney on that if he wants, and he can go get a license in the meantime. There's nothing here is preventing him from getting a license. I think his own self has prevented that from not getting up, going down there, because I don't see anything here that's preventing him unless he has some other issues in other jurisdictions.
Well, I think because of the show cause that might be an issue, but since that's been removed, you're right, nothing. I understand what the court's trying to do. Hold off there. You got your mouthpiece talking for you now, Mr. Granberry. I understand what the court's trying to do. I think, Your Honor, if we set these for a pretrial and the offer doesn't substantially change, I will take that offer at that time. But again, it's about him at this point moving from point A to point B.
All right, what I'm gonna do, because we're setting another pretrial, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint him an attorney.
Then I will
That way, he'll have that conversation and we'll know we won't be asking for another pretrial for an attorney. If he wants one coming up, he'll have that attorney. So,
Then, Your Honor, I have not gotten that information from him, but I put me back in the
I'll get
loop.
it.
Oh, you'll get
Unless he doesn't want his number broadcast, he can put it in the chat, or he can say it out loud if he wants it, if he doesn't care. What do you want to do, Mr. Granberry?
Yeah, what's 313? I mean, I'll tell you right now.
Go ahead, say it.
1313 727 7457.
57?
7457, yes.
See, Mr. Walling, he doesn't have anybody looking for him. Mr. Granberry, I'm gonna give you mark the file needed appointed attorney. You come back on March the 3rd at 8:30 a.m. and answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, yes.
And you know what you got to do from here on in, right, sir?
Mark.
Right, Mr. Granberry?
What did you say?
You know
what you have to do between now and March the 3rd?
True. Go to the Secretary of State, man. Excuse me, Judge. You do see that I paid what you told me to pay, right?
I see that you don't owe anything. I don't remember the other stuff, but yeah, I do see you don't owe anything.
That's what I was thinking. Then so I don't know why it's suspended, but maybe on my end I need to go to the
Because you got to
Secretary
do
of State and check
something on your end, like I told you. Now you're
So
going to go to the
March 3rd?
Secretary of State. Yes?
March 3rd.
Yeah, he's saying go to the Secretary of State in the meantime, okay?
I will. You said March 3rd, 8 a.m., right?
March 3rd at 8:30. If you get in at 8 a.m., you'll probably be the first one here.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Cranberry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Rakim Armand George, case number SP 1818810, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1837431. SP 1851853, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1852061. Appearance for the record, please.
I guess I'm up. Philip X. Walling representing Mr. George.
All right, good Mr. George, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Rakim George.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time on the SP 181 tickets. Arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, we'd waive any kind of formal reading of the complaint warrant, stand mute, and ask the court to recall the warrants.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Last time you were here, Mr. George, you fell off. You spoke with an attorney, and we never heard back from you.
Yeah, I wanted to figure out like what, because I got a couple of tickets and I was trying to see which one I was like here for today.
All right, did you hear what I said?
No.
Let me see you come into the camera. I said the last time you were here, you were on, we assigned you to a breakout room to speak with an attorney. I don't know whether you spoke with that attorney or not, but you fell off and you never called back in.
Oh yeah. No, I didn't call back in.
So why did you not call back in?
No, that was the I had fell asleep on the last Zoom call.
Well, sometimes it's some things you just don't say. But all right. I'm entering not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Walling, he has some other stuff he's supposed to be arraigned on February the 12th. We can treat it like a one-stop shop, and we can wrap it all up here together.
Okay. I only got the 2. Can you tell me what's scheduled on the 12th?
On the 12th, you have a missing defective equipment, unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor. He has a civil infraction of no plates that he missed a hearing on. He probably fell asleep on that too, on January 16th.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about.
I wouldn't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on that if the city doesn't have any objection. And then he has a seatbelt ticket on the stuff he was here before on that's on the docket. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases into the record. Mr. George, Mr. Walling is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Please try to stay awake for the remainder of this hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the matter. He's in there, Mr. Walling. How long have you been working?
A month.
Who are you? You don't have an assigned judge yet, do you?
I was at the front door.
At the front?
My first week training in the court.
Okay. So, go back on the record with Ms. Oglesby. Which one did you choose, ma'am?
Trial.
There you go. All right. Trial date, March the 3rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. March the 3rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. You can zoom in for work, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you guys too. And you
Thank you.
have a good day as well. And stay
All right,
safe.
best of luck to you.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Michael Allen Chiboya. Give me the correct pronunciation, sir. You have to unmute yourself.
Oh. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning. What's the correct pronunciation of your last name, please?
It's Michael Allen Jiboye.
Jiboye. Good morning to you. This is case number SP11891941 U88520812. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Jiboya.
Michael Allen Jiboye.
Jiboye.
Okay, Mr. Jiboye, let's see, what brings you here today?
I had the EWAP ticket. I actually paid the last of it this morning before I jumped on Zoom. And then I have the allowing unlicensed driver to drive my vehicle.
Review for the EWAP ticket. I do see that it's been paid. He says that's like he's had an EWAP before. Out payment plan. All right, I'm going to dismiss the matter. You want a trial date on the allowing?
No.
For trial today, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Trial is today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to dismiss the matter. No officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Jaboye, if it's nothing further, best of luck to you. I'll waive the warrant fee. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. And one more thing, Your Honor, can I could just pick up the paperwork for that down at the courthouse, right?
You can probably print it out at your house.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Donnell Leonard. It's Donnell Sam Leonard, case number SP 116253332, SP 1220746, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 140771112, SP 140772661, SP 1414360, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 155799971, SP 1828391. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leonard.
Hello, my name is Donnell Leonard.
All right, run his license, please. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Leonard. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I had officers Turner was here. Well, strike that. Osman was here. No, strike that. That's for Lawson. Okay, Officer Brandon Turner for Leonard, right, was here. Officer A. Thomas was here. And I haven't seen any other officers. Mr. Leonard, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barrett. Mr. Barry, he's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gallimore. Miss Gallimore, I'm sorry, Miss Gallimore, is there something, did you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sure. Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Ms. Gallimore. Ms. Gallimore, would you please state your name for the record?
Eileen Galmore.
All right. Did you have a good conversation with Mr. Patel, Miss Gallimore?
Yes, sir.
Did he get a lot of your questions answered?
Yes, sir, and a lot of information. Yes, sir.
And is Miss Gallimore going to participate in street court?
She is, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Miss Gallimore, I'll say this to you, ma'am. I know you've probably in one of the more difficult situations that you've been in your lifetime.
At my age, never in my life.
At your age. And you can speak now. I kind of cut you off.
69, I'll be 70 years old. I've never been homeless or in a situation. And Judge, what I want you to know, your mayor knew all was going on. They got me put out my building. It wasn't a lack of paying rent. I paid my rent for a whole year. My lease was even renewed. This mayor turned her nose up at the seniors in the Woodbridge Senior Village when we were trying to let her know it was an infestation of roaches, it was bed bugs, and we had no central air all summer.
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am.
And it's just, I have a friend that still lives there. They just got heat last Saturday. And one thing I want to know, when the officers told me that not to go to that building, which I was in the building with the clock on it.
Well, let me stop you there. Let me stop you there, Ms. Gallimore. Let me stop you there.
Yeah.
Because it sounds like you're getting into the facts and circumstances of the case. And I can't hear those sides of you unless I hear the other side. But what I'm going to say is this, I really sympathize with you. And I do, and I'm going to be praying for you, seriously. You know, it's, I do see your age, and this is the first time I've seen someone in your age has gotten into this situation, and I trust and believe, I believe that it's not by your own volition. And I do say this, though. I always say that if you persevere, I know the light may not be shining bright for you right now. If you persevere, and I'm sure you know this because you've been through a lifetime of things, maybe nothing this serious, but a lifetime of things. If you persevere, the light will get brighter at the end of the tunnel. I always leave with this quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. Dr. Martin Luther King said, the true test of a man is not where that person stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, or where that person stands in times of challenges and controversies. This is your test. Now, why God put this test on you, Miss Galmore, I don't know that, and I can't answer that. But I can, God won't put more on you than what you can handle. And I can say that if you persevere and you're with diligence, the help of Mr. Patel and his staff, I'm sure that the light will start shining brighter sooner. And I hope that light shines brighter sooner rather than later. I do believe in Mr. Patel's program. I've seen Mr. Patel's program work. I'm just hoping that that works sooner rather than later for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I hope that you have some place to be now, and that you're not in the elements at this time. But I'm going to be praying for you, and I'm going to be waiting to see that things have gotten much better for you. Okay.
Yes, sir. But sir, I just want to say I'm reading Job because that's who I feel like. Joe, and I listened to Joel Osteen this morning. So I know everything is going to be right. I don't understand why I'm in this situation, but I know it's going to get better. I have faith. Thank you.
Keep that faith, and that's I'm sure it's going to get better as well. All right.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Patel, give me a date, please.
April 16th.
April 16th. All right, Miss.
Okay.
Ms. Galmore.
When do I start? Yes.
You're going to talk to you and Mr. Patel, I'm sure, exchanged information, and give him a call, and he can answer all those questions for you. And I'm going to have you back on April 16th. Okay, ma'am?
Okay. 8:30?
8:30. You're right.
Okay. 8:30. Okay. Yes, sir. And you have a blessed weekend.
You as well, and best of luck to you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Patel, I don't know if anyone else is dealing with any housing insecurities, please let me know. All right, Mr. Patel, I'll see you. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon, okay?
Yes, you as well. Take care.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
You're free to leave, Ms. Galmore.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Those are always the tough ones. Especially at this time of the year too. Mr. Lawson, I didn't put you at the end of the line because you were smoking. I love that you know that. But I just take them in the order that they came in. How are you? What courtroom? You're not in a courtroom either, are you?
I'm with the magistrate superior.
Oh, okay.
I just seen you on TikTok.
You did?
Yeah.
Just now?
Maybe last week.
Well, what was that?
You were in bank.
Oh yeah. So guess what? So I'm gonna go see her Next month, I'm gonna be in California next week, and I'm gonna go to her comedy thing. She used to work in a this is when I was driving my brother around. I was his driver before I became a lawyer, and I would drive around courtroom to courtroom. Well, she used to work at the hot dog stand in front of Frank Murphy, right? So we would talk, and when I'd be sitting there waiting on my brother. Well, fast forward to when I became a judge, she come to find out there was an event on Belle Isle, and they hired her. She bought the hot dog stand and she owned it. And they hired her to serve the food at the event on Belle Isle. And then that's the last time I saw her. That was like 2021 or something like that. And then I saw her in the bank. That was a couple of weeks ago now. And she says, hey, she remembered me. And then she says, I said, what about the hot dog stand? She says, I sold my hot dog stands, and now she's a comedian. And she just got a permanent weekly thing in LA on Thursday nights.
Doing stand up?
Yeah. What is the name of
The Chocolate Factory?
No, it's not the Chocolate Factory. It's Crack 'em Up, I think. Let me see.
It's in California?
It's in California. So I'm going to California next week. It is
When will they be on YouTube?
Crack 'em Up. No, so
What's her name?
her name is T-Barb.
T-Barb.
T-Barb? T-Barb. She's done it here too, yeah.
Or Bar and Grill.
I don't know. She's been around. She's been around. You saw her before?
I'm trying to remember. I went to the Four Bar and Grill like maybe last year. There was a female in there doing comedy. She was funny. She was pretty good.
Kind of your complexion?
I can't remember her name though.
The T-Barb.
I'll have to ask my best friend.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. George. I want to call him Mr. Rakim, like Eric B. and Rakim, but Mr. George, what does your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Nope, Mr. Walling has Mr. George. That's what that PXW next to his name is. Anyway, as far as today's matters, Your Honor, my client will be tendering a plea pursuant to the people's recommendation as charged to the no registration. With regards to the February 12th matters, the people are recommending that if the court accepts his plea of responsible to the defective equipment case and responsible to the seatbelt matter, they're willing to forego the rest of the February 12th matters. So in fact, he's pleading today to 1 no registration, 1 no equipment, 1 seatbelt, and the rest will be dismissed. That's my understanding, Mr. George. Is that yours?
Yes.
And when you say no registration, are you talking about the misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, or are you
Yes.
talking about the no plates?
No, as charged to the no registration untitled.
So that's the $240 fine.
Yes.
He already owes $210 on a no plates. Do the people just want him to plead to a misdemeanor that's going to be dismissed upon payment, or will they just let him plead to all of these civil infractions?
The improper plates is already due and owing?
No. So he has a no plates, a civil infraction. He owes $210 that's doing and owing. He owes $78 on the seatbelt, and he owes $100 on the defective equipment. So what do? Replace the no plates for the improper plate, and I'm going to dismiss it upon payment anyway. To make it simpler, just plead to the no plates, $210, and just pay the stuff. You don't follow me.
No, I'm trying to see. I'm trying to figure out what is in my client's best interest instead of particularly everybody's ease.
Well, it's 6 in one and half dozen in the other. It'd probably be in your client's best interest to plead just to take the no plates. It'd save them $30.
Well, so make it happen, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the faces of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
Find your client responsible for the seatbelt ticket as charged, $78. Find your client responsible for the no plates civil infraction as charged, $210. And find your client responsible for the missing and defective equipment as charged, $100. None of them abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore none of them carry any points. And you pay them off. I'll put a date on there. You don't even need my permission for a payment plan because they are civil infractions. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes.
Or when can you pay? $78, $210, $100.
You said when?
Yes.
I was hoping to.
I already know. March the 6th. March the 6th. At any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And if you're going to get into a payment plan, come down on or before March 6th and get into a payment plan. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Last but not least is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Lawson. Case number SP 1818946, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. You win his license. X Walling.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Lawson. Where is he on today's docket, Your Honor?
Trial
date. Do we have an officer here on Mr. Lawson?
Yes, I'm here. He's not here. Officer Osman, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please. Well, he was there. I thought you were talking about, that must have been Mr. Lawson that mentioned that. Osman was appear. He did appear. He's not here now. See if you can work it out for him, Mr. Walling. Mr. Lawson, state your name for the record, please.
Timothy Lawson.
All right. He's got a valid driver's license, so that takes care of one thing.
Excellent.
And join the breakout room, Mr. Lawson. Mr. Walling's going to help you out and let us know what you want to do out, please.
All
right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the officers have reported to the prosecutor that they have no recollection. And so we seek dismissal of those two matters as well as the remaining matters for the officers failing to show.
So it's like Christmas in February, huh, Mr. Leonard?
Hopefully. Well, yeah. Not yet, though.
You say what?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Uh-uh.
You want me to reset it and give him another time to come in?
Uh-uh.
Because I had an offer here, sitting here for him that we said we left the offer open. I don't know why we did that, but. All right, for SP 11625-332, I'm gonna dismiss that, no recollection. For SP 18282-391, I'm gonna dismiss that for no recollection. Those are the two officers that did appear. And for the other matters, I'll dismiss no officer with stipulation of probable cause. Mr. Barry?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. All right, you still owe the court money. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, but you still owe for some old civil infractions, sir. The online and see what you owe, okay? After the day. All right, Mr. Leonard, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I am thrilled to report that Mr. Lawson is in compliance on both these matters. The people are moving to dismiss, and I join them in that motion.
All right, Mr. Lawson. I wish you the best of luck. They do say that every cigarette you smoke takes 7 minutes off your life. I used to tell my buddy that, and he said, "Hey, Perk, it takes 7 minutes off the end of my life." So I don't know how you look at it, but
I actually like that. I'll remember that when I go have my cigarette after this morning.
So I don't know what you want to do with that, sir, but these cases are dismissed, and I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much. You have a good day too.
And thank you. Best of luck to you. All right. That seems like that will conclude. Oh, wait a minute. What is Devontae Greer doing here? Mr. Devontae Greer, good morning to you. You know, you're gonna have to turn your camera on. Why are you so super late, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm actually at work, and I'm gonna be honest, I kind of forgot that I had the hearing today.
State of Michigan versus Deontay Greer, case numbers SX 4632228, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Devontae Greer.
Mr. Greer, state your name for the record too. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Devontae Curtis Greer.
Day, date, and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Walling, give Mr. Greer attempt to get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Greer, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We were just about to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, all right.
We'll do it on the fast track, Judge.
All right, very well. You run his license, please.
So Judge, how long you gonna be in LA?
I'm leaving the 23rd evening until the 28th. Hopefully it's warm.
Nice. We got somebody filling in.
We're off.
We're off.
Yeah, I am. I don't know what
You're
you
off.
guys.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know what y'all are gonna do, but you want to
Not
come
me
in
putting
here.
myself with you. Like we know.
Because I know
know.
Will.
I don't know, Judge.
I'm not off.
You gonna take off?
I'm gonna take off for like 2 days. Yeah, Thursday and a Friday.
Okay.
Yep.
Give me a little 4-day weekend.
I'm at your old stomping grounds, Miss Williams Law.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. No, I'll probably take Thursday and Friday. Give me a little 4-day weekend.
There you go.
You won't be here Wednesday either, Miss Williams Law, next Wednesday.
I won't be here Wednesday either. I have career day that
No
day.
docket.
The docket Wednesday, next Wednesday.
Yes.
All
That's the
right.
11th.
Correct.
Yeah, that's marked too.
All righty. Taking Spirit, Judge?
Say that again.
Taking Spirit?
No, actually,
Are you on the
I'm
upgrade?
Delta this time. Oh, I'm rolling high side. I'm living high on the hog this time.
Bougie.
You know something I told you, the going to the West Coast, unless you're going like Las Vegas or something, that's cheap on Spirit. You can get there like $65. But the it's cheaper on Delta this time.
Cheaper than Spirit?
Yeah, when you factor in the bags and stuff like that.
It's always going to make the difference. And then especially if you're traveling with family, all the bags on the same reservation are free.
Well, I think that Delta's charging for bags now too.
No, not the first. How many bags you need? You don't get charged. Well, you know what? No, it's if you book with the Sky Miles card. I could say that. If you book with this, if you have a Sky Miles, yes, then so outside of that.
I have Sky Miles.
Well, then yeah, you're not paying for that first bag.
I think they do. I'm gonna call them actually.
No, they jipping you. It's you and whoever else is going with you on the reservation. Everybody's bag is free. That first one.
All right, we'll see. I'm gonna tell them Miss Williams law talk. I'm telling Miss Williams.
I mean, I just got from doing this.
Mr. Walling, you have your question?
I do have a question. Mr. Greer says he is to be sentenced in front of Judge Bryant. Can someone explain why it isn't here?
Because he's probably
case.
It has the O in there. It has the O in there. So I don't know if it was his third and they reduced it to a second or what, but it has that 250. And once it has that 0, then that goes to another judge in this courtroom. I don't know if this is his third.
All right.
Or whatever. I don't know.
Should these tickets be sent to Judge Bryant?
She's probably not going to want to take them.
Let me find out if it's OW third or started out as a third.
Mr. Wiley, what are we doing with the ones that are on there today, though?
I don't know until I find out what the hell we're doing on the third.
You were cussing in court?
Oh yeah. Why is Mr. Devante out of the room?
I'll pull him out.
Oh. Well, I need to talk to him, please, again.
Go back in the room, sir.
And Madam Clerk, what's the status of his driver's license? I know we ran it.
I think it was suspended, Judge.
That's what you said.
Suspended.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
On the matters on today's docket, Your Honor, he is tendering a plea to the amended charge of failure to display the NOP and the failure to have the appropriate insurance to be dismissed. He has been advised of his rights.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Now, you know what we've done with these? We've let them go to Judge
Hello.
Bryant. We'll wait on Mr. Walling.
I'm sorry, Judge. It's a doctor who's calling me after 3 days. Please, I accept my apologies.
All right. We'll wait on Mr. Walling. So what we've done is we've allowed, because we've already tried to send these cases over to Judge Bryant. And she only wants to deal with hers, which is her prerogative. But what we've done is we've allowed you to go to Judge Bryant. We've set the case here, and then you know, it's almost like we can confirm that whatever you took in Judge Bryant is the doctor saying you're okay? You're going to live a little longer, Mr. Walling?
Wrong doctor, Judge.
I was explaining to Mr. Greer that what we've done is because we've asked before can would Ms. Judge Bryant take the case, and she says no. So what we've done in the past is we've set this matter to the date where you're probably going to resolve the other date on the same date, and you've gone from this courtroom to that courtroom, and they've worked out a global offer that type of way.
Well, I don't know. I still don't understand about Judge Bryant's, because he says it's a first offense. But as far as today, he wants to take that plea to failure to display the original charge of NOP and the no insurance to be dismissed.
Well, I'm asking him, does he want us to put this out? That failure to display is pretty much any day he can get that offer. He goes back to Judge Bryant for sentencing, so he's already pled.
I went to trial, Your Honor. Found guilty.
You went to trial. You got found guilty.
Yes.
Okay, so same difference. You're already guilty.
Yeah.
You're going to be sentenced on this.
February 19th.
February 18th.
Oh, thanks.
I'll be late again. Let me make. February 18th.
Well,
yeah,
all right. You want to take this deal? It's going to cost you $240 for this deal.
That's cool. Yeah.
Unless what kind of sentence do you expect over there? All right, raise your right.
It's gonna be probation over there, but I understand. You know what's going on. I'm ready to plead for this because I'm trying to get all this over with.
All right.
Get my license back.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did Mr. Walling go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes,
Did you understand rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to December the 5th, 2025, around 5:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of the Service Drive and Clark Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Or state police?
State police. Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Yeah.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
Nah.
And why is that?
I didn't have it on my person.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of strike that, of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Yes.
All right, to that stipulation, $240 is the fine. I'm gonna give you until March the 6th to either pay it or get into a payment plan. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or come down on before March the 6th and get into that payment plan. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Greer. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you, Honor.